All right, everybody, how you doing? Welcome to the Bear Cave. I'm Smoking Bears, and today we're going to do a play on shrimp and grits. But because it's September 23rd, we are going to get into the spamtember. So we're going to do spam and cheese grits. I know what? I know. Here we go. Let's get into this. Cheers. All right. So for our host of characters today, we have some old-fashioned stone ground grits, yellow grits, that I got at a local market. I have a can of spam diced up. I have some green onion, and I got some butter. I got a 8-inch Lodge Dutch oven heating up right now. We're going to put in about 1.5 cups of vegetable broth. And we want to bring that to a boil. In this skillet here, we've got a Wagner number 6. We're going to hit it with a little bit of bacon grease, because you guys know how I like my bacon grease. Just coat the pan. Just real lightly. Alright, so in this bacon grease, we're going to go ahead and add our spam. And I got that, I got the less sodium. So the only thing we need to add is some, let's go with some black pepper. Yeah, get that in there. That's good. Alright, as you can see, there's things starting to happen over here, so that's good. We're almost there. We're starting to come up to a boil. Alright, we're getting a nice little golden crust on these things. So we're just going to turn this off and leave it sit, and then we'll concentrate on that broth. Alright, we got some good action going on here. So into that, we're going to add our 1/2 cup of grits. And you want to stir this in. You want to stir it in. There we go. Stir, stir, stir. Now, according to the directions on the back of the package, always read that. It says, turn the heat down and let simmer for 10 minutes. So, that's what we'll do. Turn the heat down. Let's let it simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. I'm getting a little anxious. We stirred. You see it's soaking up the liquid pretty good. So we're going to go ahead, dump in 3 tablespoons of butter. Get that in there. I'm going to take some of my triple cheddar cheese. And I'm just going to put in about that much. I don't know how much it is, a big handful. Stir that around and get it melted. And see, we're thickening. Mama Bear, we are gonna be eating good this morning. Starting to thicken up a little bit. Let's add a little bit more. There we go. Now we're getting some thickening. Okay. And we are just about 2 minutes away from cutting the heat off completely and letting it just sit. Oh my goodness. The only thing we're missing right now, a little bit of the Bayou Bear, a little bit of Cajun seasoning. You guys use your own. Stir that in. Boy, oh boy, look at them grits. All right. Now, we put the lid on, cut the heat, and wait. All right, guys. So now we're in the bear cave. This is rested. It's 10 minutes. Look at that cheesy goodness. All right, so let's plate this up. Got our plate. Throw down some of our super cheesy grits. Look at that. Put down our cheesy grits. Maybe we'll get a little more. That looks so good. All right. Yep. Now we'll get some of our Spam and just drop it on top. Now you say, Bear, you had green onion. I did. That's what I want the green onion for. There we go. All right, so let's give this a whirl. Here we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. There's a lot of cheddar, and that is goodness right there. Creamy. And that Spam just helps give it the texture, the green onions. I'll be darned. That's fantastic. And I gotta admit, that Bayou Bear, little Cajun, gives it a little bit of flair. I like this. I like this a lot. Man. Well, you know there's only 2 rules in cooking. Did it taste good? Did you have fun? And I did, so rock on. Check out the other Cast Iron Wednesdays. Have a great week, everybody.